So today we have with us.
This is Srihari. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for Leanworx. And we are into Industry 4.0. We help CEOs of MSMEs to improve the profitability of their company, especially MSMEs who have shop floors with discrete machines. Yeah.
Right, sir. So could you let us know about the innovative products and solutions you have displayed at the stall? Can you elaborate on that?
I would like to introduce you to two innovatives. One is uh, we have this IoT device, which is a wireless device. Now, when we talk of MSMEs, the shop floors really don't have IT to spend, IT money to spend, and IT infrastructure. So this eliminates all the IT infrastructure. When you connect this to the machine, the data goes directly to the cloud. So that's innovation number one. It saves a lot of money and headaches for the MSMEs. The second one would be big data analysis for CEO. Now, what does this do? The CEOs and MDs of the company who have invested a lot of money in their machines, this would give them a dashboard to see which machines are working, which machines are not working, and they can also grade their operators, they can improve their performance, and basically to improve their bottom line, Leanworx helps them to give them the data to take decisions which are finally help them to improve their profits.
So with Industry 4.0 taking over very rapidly, so how are your solutions helping manufacturers who are very hesitant in adopting Industry 4.0 and especially MSMEs to modernize their systems, and why it is very important to adopt these systems in this new age of manufacturing?
One of the things which all the MSMEs are scared of is investment in IT. Now, IT is very hardware intensive and it gets obsolete very soon. So they fear that if we invest a lot of money on IT, they may get obsolete very soon. So we eliminate that fear and say, look, if you buy our IoT device, just connect to the machine, data goes to the cloud, there is no IT investments. They're very happy with that. Secondly, why is it important? In today's world, being competitive is the most important thing. And to help to being to have to become competitive, we need to improve their profitability and get a fix on their capex. So CEOs who are very conscious of spending their capex, they use our system to see whatever they have spent on the machines, are they being used well? If they're used well, they postpone their capex. This is one very big thing. The secondly, 45,000 machines are sold every year. The operators are always at a shortage. Now, we give them an opportunity to grade their operators, incentivize good ones, and retain them. So machine-wise and operator-wise, we help them to make best of their investments.
So as you mentioned, so we would like to know what are the key markets you are targeting and what are the key sectors you are focusing in terms of modernizing the manufacturing industry.
Our current focus is on discrete manufacturing in the domains of automotive, in the domains of aerospace and defense. Now, going forward, we'll be entering into FMCG, we'll be entering into pharma and food sector, where again, the problem is the same, and I think the volume is much greater than this. This is the India market, and the similar capacity we would be expanding to Southeast Asia next year.
So could you give us some success stories on you utilizing AI for manufacturing? Can you tell us something about that?
The success stories are many. If you want to cite, I may not be in the liberty to take the name of the company. There's a company with about 200 machines. Their operators, they had a very high rate of attrition in their operators. Now what they found is that after implementing Leanworx Industry 4, they could track down each and every downtime to manage the machines well. Plus, they were able to identify who are the good performers and incentivize them. And the mediocre guys wanted always operators try to imitate the good performance, and overall performance improved drastically.
So quickly, we would like to know about your future plans, if you can just.
The future plans would be to go overseas. India, India is a good market, a big market, but I think there's a huge market outside, and our product is globally ready to address those markets. So that would be our future market.